Hello all and welcome back to Making Web-Based Technology Easier for 21st Century Teachers and Learners. This is your instructor Phil Hockman with a little bit of behind the scenes with Wikispaces. So if you're ever interested in creating a wiki for your classroom, this is a brief tutorial on how to set it up and how to arrange and what are some details and settings that you can get into. So obviously this is our home page, as you're aware of, but what you see and what I see are not the same thing. What I have privy to are changes. So we take a look over here. I can see every change that anyone has made and edited, and I can actually go back in time and edit and go into each of the files. So if you go into somebody else's thing and make changes, I can see that. If you make some editing changes within your own, I can see that as well. So it's pretty neat there. Now, building your wiki is very simple as well. So let me go back to the home page. Let's say that I wanted to add another student. All I would need to do is go to this little new page. I can add a page here. I can name it whatever I'd like. I can add tags, and tags help me organize the pages and literally create, and then I would create a brand new page that would end up looking like a blank page. All right, if I go into the settings area, so let's go back to the home and go back into settings up here. You can see that I can see all of my members. I can organize permissions for each site. I can change permissions. I can promote people up to organizers, just like I did here with Alex Fizz. I can go through and delete members and change permissions so you can't access the site anymore. So it gives me a whole bunch of control over the site itself, along with creating things. Now, as a site creator, I can see all of the documents that have been uploaded. So let's say I want to go into someone's page. For example, go into this page here. And there's nothing in here, so I don't have to worry about violating anyone's confidentiality. Then I hit the edit button. Then I'm going to go into files. And when I go into files, you can see that I can see all the files that have ever been uploaded into this, one file at a time. And I can add files and upload files and see the entire document. On the flip side of this as well, if I go into the setting over here that says add page. Oh, I'm so sorry, that's the wrong setting. If I go into pages as one of my settings in the home, so if I go into different kinds of pages, I can then go take a look at everyone's pages, all right, or any pages that have ever been set up in here, and I can set them as active, or I can set it wanted, orphan, deleted. I can set things such as renaming things. I can hide documents, so I can have certain people see certain things. I can make them not hidden in public. So it gives you a lot of different options when creating your wiki. Now, as you build a wiki out, you have to think about the overall planning, how you want your navigation to look, and you can edit how your navigation. So if I hit the button Edit Navigation here, I can move around where people's names are organized, how tags are added. So it makes things very, very, very simple. So once again, this is a brief tutorial taking a look at the different ways that you can edit and manage your wiki if you're interested in creating a wiki for your classroom. Once again, this is a way that I have used in many, many different courses to organize, to have students peer review, to have students take notes and leave on there. There's a lot of positive things you can do using a wiki to make your classroom a 24/7, 365 teaching environment. Hopefully you've enjoyed this brief tutorial behind the scenes at Wikispaces. This is Philip Hockman. Good luck with your assignments.